Tumang,
Yes po, Your Honor.
for the information of everyone, ito kasi pong question of the drugs and the acquisition of properties ng mga foreign national form part of my reso doon sa public accounts. Kasi public accounts na lang pinagsimulan nito eh. Na it was forwarded to this Quadcom. But the issue about some properties, transactions of Mayor Tumang, in which, ilang beses ka naman na-dismiss, Mayor? Ilang beses ka na na-dismiss? Yung dismissal order mo? Ilan?
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Once ka lang na-dismiss?
Yes po,
alam ko
Your
dalawa. Are you telling the truth? Mayor Tumang, ganito lang po, I just want to warn you. You're under oath once again in this Quadcom hearing and you're being asked by Congressman Luis Ro. Please, don't lie.
Your Honor, yung pong yung previous po na reverse po yun.
And then,
Yung
okay.
2022. And then po, 2023, last August po, yun po yung last ko pong dismissal.
Under appeal.
Yes po, pending appeal po.
Pending appeal. Now, Mayor, ganito lang po, you're being asked if kilala mo si Eddie Yang, kilala mo si Tuma, kilala mo si Willie Ong. I just want to tell you, we have already discussed it in the Committee on Public Accounts. Or else, I will show you the proof.
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
if you're lying, I will cite you in contempt once again, Mayor Tumang. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mayor Tumang, ulitin ko po yung tanong. Do you personally know Willie Ong?
Your Honor, hindi ko po personally kakilala si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. Pumunta po sa munisipyo, doon ko lang po sila nakilala dahil nag-inquire na bibili po silang lupa.
With your statement, Mayor Tumang, it appears that you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Because when you said they came to your office, approached you, and told you that they are going to buy lands,
Doon ko
then
lang
it
po.
means that you were able to personally
Yes po.
meet with these two individuals. Tama po ba?
Yes po, namit ko po sila sa munisipyo.
In other words, you personally know Willie Ong and ADT Yang. Are you aware that
Chairman, once again, Mr. Chairman, this will be the last. Mayor Tumang, you're lying.
Hindi po, Your
Sandali
Honor.
po. Let me finish. Please don't answer. Don't talk unless you are recognized by the chairman. Mayor Tumang, sabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Willie Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Si Eddie Yang, hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo, nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang? Oh, now. Eto Mayor Tumang. Nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon? Sa China?
Yes po,
At
Your Honor.
kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your
Oh,
Honor.
now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying. Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo. Abroad. You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon, di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, patensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po, you're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph 3. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyong
Mr.
Okay,
Chairman, the question is very
just
simple.
a 1-minute suspension.